All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving deep into a tool called Qlik Sense. We're going to break down exactly what it is, how it works its magic, and really why it's become such a game changer for any business trying to make sense of all their data. So, let's start with a problem I think we can all relate to. Your business is swimming in data, right? Piles and piles of it. But here's the real question. Does all that data actually give you answers? The kind of insights that help you make smarter decisions. That's the big challenge we're tackling today. Okay, so to get those answers, you need something more. Something that goes beyond just crunching numbers in a spreadsheet. Which brings us right to our first question. What exactly is Qlik Sense? At its core, Qlik Sense is a modern data analytics platform. But what does that really mean? Well, think of it as a data playground built for everyone, not just the super technical folks. It's all about this idea of self-service. You can connect to your data, drag and drop different charts and graphs, and just start exploring. No coding required. Now, if you've been in the data world for a while, you might have heard of its older sibling, QlikView. And it's important to know they're pretty different. QlikView was really a tool for developers. It was more rigid, more of a guided analytics experience. Qlik Sense, on the other hand, is completely different. It's built for self-service, it's web-based, so you can use it anywhere, and it works beautifully on any device, from your laptop to your phone. So how does Qlik Sense do all this cool, flexible stuff? Well, now we're going to peek under the hood and talk about its secret sauce, the Associative Engine. Seriously, this is where the real magic happens. Okay, this right here is the key differentiator. Traditional BI tools, they work on a fixed path. It's like asking a question and getting a very specific answer. You follow a script. Qlik Sense is totally different. It's not a monologue, it's a conversation. When you click on something, it doesn't just show you what's related, it also shows you what's unrelated. Let me give you an example. Say you filter for your best-selling product. Qlik will instantly highlight which customers and regions are buying it, but it will also show you in gray all the ones who aren't. That's an aha moment right there, an insight you didn't even know you were looking for. And this is all possible because of what's called the associative model. Instead of rigid, predefined paths, think of your data as a massive web. Every single data point is connected to every other data point. There are no dead ends. You can click anywhere on anything and instantly see all the connections, even the ones you never would have thought to look for. So what's the powerhouse driving this whole thing? It's called the Qlik Engine. This is the beast that makes the associative experience possible. It pulls all your data into memory, compresses it, and indexes it, which means when you start clicking around and exploring, the response is just lightning fast. No waiting, no lag. All right, so that's the cool tech humming away in the background. But what does it actually feel like for you, the user? Let's walk through the typical journey, from a messy pile of data to a beautiful interactive dashboard. It really boils down to three main steps. First, you've got to load your data in, whether it's from an Excel file, a big database, or a cloud service. Second, you build the data model, which is just a fancy way of saying you show Qlik how your different data tables relate to each other. And then, the really fun part, you start creating your visualizations just by dragging and dropping. Now that first step, loading data, Qlik actually gives you two different paths depending on who you are. For most business users, there's the data manager. It's super visual, really intuitive, perfect for quick and simple data prep. But for the developers and analysts out there who need more control, you've got the data load editor. This is where you can get your hands dirty with a powerful scripting language to handle really complex data transformations. Okay, a quick but important note on data modeling. To really get the most out of Qlik Sense, you want a clean model. The gold standard is something called a star schema. Just picture it. You have one central table with all your main numbers, like sales or quantities, and then you have other tables branching off it that describe those numbers, like products, customers, and dates. Getting this structure right is what helps that associative engine do its thing and keeps your dashboards running super fast. Okay, your data is loaded, it's modeled, now it's time for the payoff. Let's talk about visualizing the story and really bringing those insights to life. And Qlik Sense gives you a massive toolbox to do this. I mean, you've got all the classics, bar charts, line charts, pie charts, but also pivot tables, amazing maps for geographic data, big, bold KPI objects for your key metrics. You name it, it's probably in there. You've got everything you need to tell a compelling story. Now here's a feature that will save you a ton of headache. It's called master items. The idea is simple. Work smarter, not harder. You can define a calculation, like profit margin, one time, or create a perfectly styled chart once. Then, you save it as a master item, and you can reuse it over and over again across different dashboards. It's a huge time saver, and it keeps everything consistent.
Sometimes an interactive dashboard isn't enough. You need to present your findings in a more linear, narrative way. That's where the data storytelling feature comes in. It lets you take snapshots of your key charts, arrange them like slides in a presentation, add your own text and annotations, and walk your audience through your discoveries, step by step. It's all built right in.
Okay, so you've built these incredible dashboards. That's awesome. But now we need to talk about something that's absolutely critical: governance. How do you share your insights and make sure the right people see the right data and nothing more? Well, Qlik gives you a ton of control here. You can organize your apps into streams. Think of them like channels for different departments. The sales team gets the sales channel, finance gets theirs. But you can get even more granular. With section access, you can control the data down to the individual row. So 2 salespeople can open the exact same dashboard, but only see the data for their own territories. It's powerful stuff.
And the place where all this management happens? That's the Qlik Management Console, or the QMC for short. This is the mission control for your entire Qlik Sense environment. It's where administrators handle everything from managing users and setting up those security rules to scheduling data reloads. So when you pull it all together, you realize Qlik Sense really isn't just another tool for making pretty charts. It's fundamentally a new way to interact with your data. It's about having a conversation, asking questions, and letting the data surprise you with answers you didn't even know you were looking for. And that brings us right back to where we started. Your data is packed with hidden stories, waiting to be told. The real question is, now that you know what's possible, what story are you going to go uncover?